Setting up Absa Bank Forex rates is a straightforward process that enables you to stay informed about the latest exchange rates. To begin, start by visiting the official Absa Bank website, where you will find a dedicated section for foreign exchange rates. Click on the Forex section to access the latest rates, which are updated regularly to reflect market fluctuations. You can view the rates in a table format, making it easy to compare different currencies and their corresponding exchange rates. To set up the Forex rates, you will need to register for an Absa Bank online account, which will grant you access to a range of tools and features, including the ability to set up customized Forex rate alerts. Once you have logged into your account, navigate to the Forex section and select the currencies you are interested in tracking. You can choose from a wide range of currencies, including major and minor pairs. Next, set up your desired alert levels, which can be based on a specific exchange rate or a percentage change in the rate. For example, you can set up an alert to notify you when the US dollar to South African rand exchange rate reaches a certain level. In addition to setting up alerts, you can also use the Absa Bank Forex section to view historical exchange rate data, which can help you identify trends and patterns in the market. This information can be useful for making informed investment decisions or for planning international trips. To get the most out of the Absa Bank Forex rates, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. The bank provides regular market updates and analysis, which can help you understand the factors that influence exchange rates and make more informed decisions. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by Absa Bank, you can set up a comprehensive Forex rate system that meets your needs and helps you stay ahead of the market. Remember to always monitor your alerts and adjust your settings as needed to ensure you stay informed about the latest exchange rates.